The smell of opportunity can sometimes be found in ashes. And today we're diving deep into Propstream to uncover those burnt-down houses ripe for your next real estate investment. First, let's log into your Propstream account once you're in. You'll see the main dashboard. We're going to start by focusing on a specific geographic area on the left-hand side. Under Search Properties, you'll see Search by Area. You can either draw a specific area on the map or type in a zip code or city. For this tutorial, let's imagine we're targeting a specific neighborhood. Once your area is selected, look for the Filters button, usually located on the right-hand side. Click on that to open up the extensive filtering options. Now, this is where the magic happens. We need to narrow down to properties that might have experienced fire damage. While Propstream doesn't have a direct burnt down filter, we can use a combination of characteristics. Start by going to the Property Characteristics section. Think about common characteristics that might be associated with older, potentially more vulnerable homes or properties that have been vacant for a while. For example, you might want to filter by property type and select single-family home. If that's your focus, you can also consider filtering by year built, perhaps looking at older properties. Next, we'll move to the Property Status filters. This is crucial. Click to expand. Property Status. Look for options like vacant. Burnt properties are often vacant, and finding vacant distressed homes is a great starting point. You might also consider pre-foreclosure, as sometimes distressed situations can lead to property damage. While property condition might not explicitly list fire damage, we can infer. Look for options that suggest significant disrepair. If direct condition filters are limited, pivot to ownership information and consider filtering for absentee owners or out-of-state owners, as these can sometimes be indicators of neglected properties that might have suffered damage. After applying your chosen filters, you'll see a list of properties that match your criteria. Now, you'll need to do some manual investigative work. Click on individual properties in the list to view their details. Look for any descriptions or photos that might hint at damage. Sometimes, public records or tax assessments might have notes about fire or extensive damage descriptions. Even if not immediately obvious in the main filters, this is where you'll truly be spotting those hidden gems. Once you've identified a promising burnt-down property, you can add it to your list within Propstream for further analysis, or use the Skip Trace feature to find owner contact information. Remember, finding these properties is just the first step. Due diligence is key to a successful investment. Go forth and uncover those burnouts.